Oh, that's a video.
Oh, it is a video?
Tell us
Oh, okay.
what the most. How excited are you guys about network marketing?
Are you kidding? It's like,
It's-
how excited are you about breathing? Just saying.
It's
a
like the gold rush.
It's a must. It's a must. It's
It's
like
a-
oxygen. It's the thing to do and be. Just saying.
It's the future of business. And so a vision that I've thought of before is the fact that this is going to trump franchising in the next 10 years. And it's not going to be what's network marketing. It's going to be, hey, what do I buy from you? What do you offer? What do you provide for me? And your social media is going to be your market.
And how do
your
people contact
followers.
you?
Myself personally,
Yes.
through Facebook, DYLONSUGGS. That's my first and last name. You guys can get in contact with me through there. Go ahead.
Oh, how do people contact me, or what do I think about network marketing? I think you should. Okay, I shouldn't say it. I mean, it's